Today we will be making delicious gingerbread cookies. Our list of ingredients for the cookies will be: for the glaze we will need in a large bowl, sift the flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and ground ginger. Then add the brown sugar and salt and stir. Add the butter and mix until granulated. At last, add the egg and mix until the dough just comes together. On a flat surface, roll the dough and cut out the cookies using a cookie cutter of your preference. Transfer them to a baking sheet previously lined with parchment paper. Preheat oven to 350 degrees and leave the cookies for 12 to 15 minutes until they are golden brown. For the glaze, combine the egg white with the lemon juice. Gradually add powdered sugar and stir with a whisk until a thick consistency is achieved. Then start decorating your cookies and add coloring if desired. Nothing says Christmas more than gingerbread cookies.